Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the game Choo Charles for iOS and Android. So if you guys do not know, this is a pretty funny game. You're like on a train and there's actually this evil train trying to kill you. Kind of looks like a spider. So to download this for mobile, I found a site that has like a port. Of course, the graphics are going to look a little bit ass, but does it really matter? You're playing the full game on your phone. I think it's like 900 megabytes, so it's not that big. So this is the site. It's called Zoo Mods. So just come over here, type in Choo Charles, press on it, and download it. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be one more step. So basically, we have to do a verification. We got to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're free. They're from the App Store. It's totally fine. You're not going to face any difficulty. But if you guys are like idiots, I'm going to show you how to do it because I've heard a lot of stories, seen a lot of people fail the verification because they don't know what they're doing and they've never seen it before. So they're like, oh, I can do this, and then they fail it. So as you can see, it says, please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. That sounds easy enough. There's going to be around 4 apps on this page, and they all have different instructions. So TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got Family Island. You got to reach level 10. We got the golf game. So these are like games. So you just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store. And the apps are all going to have different instructions. So what some people will do is they'll download the app and they won't actually do anything on it. And like, guys, nothing's going to happen. You got to run it. You got to interact with it. You got to reach the requirements. So for instance, level 10, fine. I don't really care. It takes me, 10 minutes to reach level 10 on this game. I do this once. I get Choo Charles for iOS and Android. I don't mind. So yeah, be sure to try it out. It's super cool. I don't really know if you're going to see different apps. If you're in like another country, I'm in the United States right now, so these are the apps they have for me. Even if you're also in the United States, the apps you see may vary, so sorry about that, but it doesn't make the process any easier or any harder if you see different apps.